The 2008 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.